From washing dishes at a Denny's to running the most important chip company on the planet. Yeah, that's a journey. Jensen Huang was born in Taiwan in 1963. He was shipped to the US as a kid. He landed in small-town America, Kentucky, Oregon. He wasn't the loudest in the room. He was the kid who quietly outworked everyone. He studied electrical engineering at Oregon State, grabbed a master's at Stanford, and dove into semiconductors at LSI Logic and AMD. 1993, three engineers meet up at a Denny's. Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, Curtis Preem. Legend says the idea for NVIDIA was sketched on a napkin. The bet? Graphics chips weren't just for games. They could be the engine for the next era of computing. Early on, it wasn't smooth. The first product, NV1, missed the mark. Then came Riva 128, TNT. And in 1999, the GeForce 256, marketed as the world's first GPU. Suddenly, 3D wasn't niche, it was mainstream. Here's where it gets interesting. 2006. Jensen pushes CUDA, GPUs for physics, GPUs for data science, GPUs for AI. At the time, lots of people shrugged. But in 2012, deep learning blew up when AlexNet trained on NVIDIA GPUs. The lights turned on. Jensen is the leather jacket CEO who doesn't just talk roadmaps, he ships. Touring for ray tracing, Ampere to scale AI, Hopper and H100 turning data centers into AI factories. He kept saying accelerated computing while the rest of the industry chased incremental CPU gains. Then the world caught up. Chatbots, image generators, co-pilots. Suddenly everyone needed compute. NVIDIA's data center business exploded. From gaming darling to the backbone of AI. By the mid-2020s, the company vaulted into multi-trillion-dollar territory. That's not hype, that's demand. But zoom into the person. Jensen's leadership mantra is simple: focus, intensity, and long-term bets. He's known for hands-on product reviews, brutal clarity, and giving teams space to win or learn fast. He gives back too, funding engineering centers at Stanford and Oregon State. The hook to hero isn't luck, it's compound conviction. Dishwasher to engineer, engineer to founder, founder to visionary who redefined what a chip can be. If you're looking for a takeaway, it's this: pick a hard problem, commit longer than the market's attention span, and build the tools the future will need before the future knows it needs them. Jensen Huang didn't chase the trend. He made the platform the trends run on, and he did it one deliberate, relentless iteration at a time. That's the life and the lesson.